Hi, welcome to Car Mechanical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear tail lights on your Audi A4 B6, and we're going to be doing this on my Advanced model. So typically you're going to need to do this when you've got some lights out, and I'm just giving mine a quick test here, and I think I find that one of the indicator bulbs is out, and I should have noticed that one of the fogs was out as well, but I picked that up at a later date. So this is a quick and simple job, and it can be done relatively quickly. You're going to spend more time in dealing with the bulbs themselves, and that's where you may end up paying more attention. But just to show you what you need to do, as you open the boot up, just inside you've got this little hole here. Now I'm using a 12 and a 13mm deep socket on mine because someone's replaced some part at one point. But it's just literally one bolt holding it all in, or one specialist part. You're going to undo that, which is going to free up the tail light. And you're going to take the tail light out from the outside, so I'm just getting my hands behind there a bit. You could do it with some kind of trim tool to pop it out, but there's a couple of little ball fittings where it fits into the body. So from the outside of the car, you're going to pull the tail lamp over, and you're going to pull it round, which is going to give you access to the light assembly. Now the light assembly unclicks, so it's in 4 points. So you're going to undo those and pull it out slowly. Once you get all 4 undone, it's going to give you access to the bulb holder. And then once you've got access to the bulb holder, you can start to work out what bulbs you need to replace, or if the bulb holder itself is gone or there's any connections that you need to sort. So it's at this point you can check over the bulbs and you can check all of your connections. I noticed I had a bit of an issue at the top connection there, so I had to clean that up and push it out to get it working a bit better. Also, I replaced the indicator bulb which was playing up. Once you're done, you're going to pop the panel back in. You're just going to click it in at all 4 corners, or all 4 of the tabs. And then to put it back in, it's the same as removal. So we're going to turn it round and place it in, but first what we're going to do is we're going to clean up some of the mess that we've seen back there, because we could get some corrosion into everything that won't help. So I'm just giving this a quick wipe with a lint-free cloth and just getting rid of some of that stuff that, if it was to get into the bodywork, could cause some rust that we don't want. So we're going to put the lamp back into place itself, so just be careful to tuck the wire out of the way, and you can see the hole where the 2 balls go into. So I do need to be a bit gentle with this lamp. It's a bit tatty, but you still need to sort of knock the balls into the hole. So then when they're flush to the body, you're then going to pull the other side in, and we're then going to put the bolt back into it. So I start to thread this by hand, and then I'm just going to use the socket to finish it off. As I said, this is a nice quick easy job. It's part of regular maintenance to check your bulbs and to have to replace them, but it's just a quick point of showing to you where to get to everything. So that sorts the issue with the indicator bulb out, and also sorted out the intermittent issue I was having with the brake lights at the time. Now I think I will come and visit a different video on these rear tail lamps, because I've had issues since, but that's actually due to corrosion. That's better covered in another video, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please leave any comments or feedback in the section down below, and more than anything, thank you for watching.